everybody. Welcome to Techno Scratch once again. In my last video, I had shown you how to draw a square and the concept of green slate. So this time I'm going to show you how to define your own block and call the block to execute your action. So let's get started. At the beginning, we need to keep our workplace clean. For that, I'm going to get the block for clean slate. For that, let's go to events. Click over here. When the flag is clicked, go to your pen, erase all, pen up, go to motions, go to x-axis 0 and y-axis also 0, then go to direction, point in direction to 90, and then we'll see how to make a block for the square to be executed when this block is called. Click on my blocks, make a block, name the block as square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square, and add an input to it, that is steps. Right? Click on OK. You will get this type of a block over here. After that, go to motions. Let us tell the sprite to move 100 steps. Then I'll tell it to turn to 90 degrees because the square has 4 sides. Okay, 4 angles, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, sorry. Then again, and I'm not going to pull the blocks inside. I'm just going to right click on this block and create a duplicate one and go on pasting it underneath. I require it 4 times because a square has 4 sides, 4 angles. There, see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now my block is ready. Now I'm going to go to my blocks and see where is my square which I had made. I'm going to call this block under the when flag clicked. So I'm going to pull it inside and place it under this one, under clean slate. But the mistake is, can you see the mistake? I have not put my pen down. I have to put my pen down. When I say pen up, I'm required to put my pen down for my action to be executed. So over here we'll make some changes. We define the square into steps. Okay, so we'll take this step and move dash steps, move dash steps, move dash steps, move dash steps. We are required to do this, and over here we can put any number of steps to be moved by this sprite. So I'm going to put now here 100. Move 100 steps. It is going to execute whatever is in this block now. Let's see whether it is working or not. So click on the flag on over here on the go flag. There, see, we have got a square. Okay, when we define our own square and we call it, we will get the output this way. The same thing I can do with a triangle. So let's make a triangle. Make a new block, define it as triangle, add an input, steps. Okay, now here is the defined block for a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles. So we can calculate what should be the degree that has to be turned. So to define the degree, it is 360 divided by 3 sides. We will get 120. So let's call the blocks. Move any number of steps, turn here 120. Again, I don't have to call again and again. I don't have to paste again and again the blocks. I can just duplicate them, paste it underneath only 3 times because We know that a triangle has three sides, three angles. Now I will take these steps and paste it over. Move dash steps, move dash steps, move dash steps. Now I will go to my blocks. I'm going to call the triangle now. I'll remove the square block now and click on this flag to clean my workplace, to clean my screen on my workplace. Okay, now I want the triangle, so I'll call the triangle under when the flag clicked. I'm going to define my steps, how many steps I want this sprite to move and create a triangle for me. So I will say 100 steps only. Okay, now let's see whether it is getting executed. There, see, a triangle is formed, right? Okay, in the same way we can define a triangle together with the square. Let's see what happens. You see, once I clicked on it, it happened that way. Once I remove this, if I do this, I will call my square block and just click on the flag, go flag. There, see, both the triangle and the square are executed together. Okay, this is the way we are going to define our own blocks and execute whatever we want. We don't have to type again, we don't have to create again and again the blocks, again and again different type of blocks to get our actions executed. Once the block is created by us, we make a block, we only have to call the block whenever we want. There, see, triangle, there, see, square. I hope students, I hope everybody has liked this way of doing objects in Scratch. Thank you very much. God bless you.